Alright guys, welcome back. So I just received this Banvie car alarm system on Amazon. So I just want to show you what's inside the box. This is not an installation video. Just want to show you what comes in the box. So take a look on the outside, guys. Okay, right here. Alright, so let's pop the box open and show you what's inside of it, guys. So right here I have the manual. This is this piece of paper right here. This is microwave detector. Some instruction on it. And here is the manual right here. See, open the manual real quick. Alright guys, so I like to show the manual in my videos because most times you might end up losing your manual. I would like to see the manual of this product. So I just want to show you what's on it. Hope you all can make it out. Go to the installation side. I hope this video will help you guys in case you get one of these alarm system and you misplace your manual. I'd like to find where to connect your wires. This will help you guys. There you go. So right here, these are the buttons for the alarm. I'm a bit stuffy. Time get really cold, guys. Alright, so this is one of the buttons it comes with. This is the computer piece that do all the work. Unlock the doors and trigger the siren. The signal antenna wire right here. Come with two remote. These are some wires. LED light that blink in this arm and this arm. And these are some other wires that go to it with some fuse. So this is what you connect underneath the dash to power the alarm system. Also come with a relay. So this is a 4-pin relay. Right there. It also sent us some tie straps. And this is the siren. And these are some two-sided tape strip that you can use to install this shock sensor. This is a shock sensor, guys. That place it to the back of it and attach it to whatever surface. And this is the microwave sensor. And this big one go on it. And that's all in there, guys. So if you like this video and like to purchase one, I'm going to place a link in the description where you can get it on Amazon. There you go, right there, guys. And that's it right there, guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.